Websites with online ordering is a powerful tool for taquerias and food trucks, but as small business owners, it can be very difficult to know where to start. The good news is that there are tons of resources out there for you to help you create your website that accepts online ordering. But the bad news is that most of these resources can get confusing, overwhelming, and most of us don't have the time to figure it all out. Our free guide will walk you through the steps needed to set up and accept mobile online orders with easy to follow instructions on how you can get started today. We'll also share some tips on what other restaurants are doing to survive, which settings to select, and how to prepare your business to accept online orders. You'll learn everything from creating your website to setting up your menu online and adding online ordering to your site. If you want access to our free guide that walks you through step by step on how to easily set up and accept online orders as fast as today, then simply submit your info below and tell us where to send it. Hi, I'm Oscar Alcala and I help taquerias and food trucks accept mobile online orders so that they can grow, increase their sales without giving away hundreds of dollars each month to DoorDash or UberEats. We do this via the internet, your current menu, and the technology already built in your payment software system to help you save some money. If you're interested in getting started or want this guide to help you do it all on your own, then submit your info below and we'll be happy to send it to you. Thank you for watching.